How to remove AI on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove AI on Snapchat. Now the first and foremost thing that you want to try out to remove your Snapchat AI is uninstalling the app. Simply uninstall the app and then reinstall it back again, and this might remove the feature on your app. However, if this doesn't remove and you are still getting the AI feature, then what you can try out is open up Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on your chat icon at the bottom of your screen here, and at the very top you can see My AI. Simply tap and hold on your My AI chat list here, and then what you want to do is tap on chat settings option that you can see on the screen. Simply tap on chat settings option and you'll find the option message notifications. You can see this will be enabled by default. What you want to do is disable it. Simply tap on the toggle it off, and once you toggle this off, what you want to make sure is do not interact with them. Now basically, if you don't interact with your AI on Snapchat, it won't interact back with you at first, so just avoid it and let it be there and just don't interact with it. So this way you can remove or get rid of Snapchat AI. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.